Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and today what I'm going to do is I've got these incense stands. When I was younger they used to be called joss sticks. I don't know why. If anyone knows why they were called joss sticks, let me know in the comments. I'm always interested to learn. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 3 different ones because they're 3 different stands. But I'm going to show you how to make them so that they don't warp and bend, because using some resins that will happen because they're quite thin, and really once they're cured up, some resins they will warp and bend. I'm going to use polyurethane resin for this. It's very different from polyester resin. I don't use polyester resin. I don't like polyester resin. I find it's too brittle for small things like this, certainly. But polyurethane resin is really quite a hard resin, and it cures really, really easily. And it's great to be able to mix up and colour. So I'm going to do 3 different effects with this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my notifications. And if you can, please hit that thumbs up because it really helps for my videos to get out there. Right, let's get on. I've got all my polyurethane resin mixed up now, and I've decanted it into these little shot glasses because actually it does help extend the pot time by a little bit. And polyurethane resin really does take mica powder and other powdered pigments really, really well and gives a great colour to them. I'm pouring quite quickly because, again, your pot time is limited because it does cure up really quickly, and you can demold this within about an hour. And I'm just putting them in, and then I will go in and sort out what I want to do with them. I'd just like to say a quick thank you to my members whose names are coming up now. If you'd like to become a member of this channel, then the link for that is in the description, and you do benefit from the perks and the bloopers as well that often I make, which certainly were loads when I was doing this voiceover. So I'm just continuing here to fill it up, the glitters and the mica powder, mixing them up with each other to see what sort of effect I get. I'm going over it with my long neck lighter. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, just to say thank you for any of my videos and help support me on my channel and get your name on next month's board, then the link for that is in the description below. Now with PU resin, you do need to mix it in because if not, you won't get a mixture of colours. They will stay separated, which is great for a lot of projects. But I want the faintness of these to come through as it's curing and then in the final product. So I just use a toothpick. Don't scratch it too much on the bottom of the mould because it will damage the mould. Sometimes I use a stick or something else as well. And then I'll leave it to cure for an hour. Well, these have all cured up now, so it'll be interesting to see how they've come out. And I do like the PU resin for this because they cure up so quickly. I think I spent an hour and 10 minutes on this before it had cured. They're nice and hard. They're not going to bend when you do anything with them, and they're going to work really well. So that's the bit that you put the actual incense stick in, or joss stick as I used to call them, in. And I think they've come out really, really pretty. But you see what I mean with PU resin? You do need to mix it in because as it does cure up quite quickly, you will find that just because you've got a lot of one colour there, you haven't necessarily got it going all the way through. So it is important to mix it in. But I love the way these have come out, especially the glittery one. I think the glittery one has come out beautifully. Look how much that sparkles. Sparkly, sparkly. Sparkly, sparkly, sparkly. And the one with the mica powder in, and the one with colour and the glitter. They're really worthwhile doing, and they work really, really well. And you could use this mould really, I think, just for your leftover bits of resin. And that's what I would use it for. And then you've got extra bits to sell or really unique pieces. And the other thing is with PU resin, when the weather gets really hot, what you're not going to get is you're not going to get a bending of this either, which can happen. I've seen people comment about that on my Facebook group, where they've said, oh, I took all my stuff to a craft fair, got really, really hot, and some of my stuff started to bend. Well, that doesn't kind of happen with PU resin or polyurethane resin. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And hit that thumbs up for me, please. It really does help my videos. I really do appreciate it. Let me know what you think of them in the comments below. I will link everything that I've used in the description below, including the mould and where I get my resins from. Take care. Enjoy your resin. Bye.